హలో చిల్డ్రన్, వెల్కమ్ టు సన్రైజెస్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. నేను ఈరోజు మీకు 8th క్లాస్ సైన్స్ 3rd చాప్టర్ మెటల్స్ అండ్ నాన్ మెటల్స్ క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ పెడుతున్నాను. ఇంకా ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైప్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా. See this one. A. Fill in the blanks. B. Match the following. C. Pick the correct option. Questions వచ్చేసి D. Answer the following questions in brief. E. Answer the following questions. ఇప్పుడు నేను మీకు ఇవి చూపిస్తాను, నోట్బుక్లో చూపిస్తాను. Differentiate between a pure substance and a compound. Second, mineral and ore. Second question. I need to extract iron from hematite ore. What are the different steps to be followed? Third question. Carbon, a non-metal, exists in a native states. Mention any two ways in which it exists in native form. Fourth question. Generally, the non-metals are not hard. Name the hardest non-metal. Fifth one. Metals have a property in which they can be drawn into voids. Name the property. Sixth one. Fifth one lo second ఇది కూడా ఉంది. Do non-metals also exhibit the same property? Sixth one. Mention any one. Metals which are poor conductors of electricity. Second one. Non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. Seventh one. Looking utensils are made up of copper, iron or aluminium. Give reason. Eighth one. In an electric circuit, an iron nail is placed between two ends of wire. If the iron nail is replaced by a wooden stick, will the Will the bulb grow or not? Justify your answer. It's bulb glow or not? Justify your answer. Answer the following questions. Name one metal and one non-metal which normally exists in the liquid state. Second question. State the fraction of gold present in an 18 karat gold piece. Third one, state the property of copper wires that make them useful for electrical fittings. Fourth one, define an alloy. Fifth one, list any two uses of non-metals. Write the balanced chemical equations for the following reaction. Why are gold and platinum suitable for making jewelry? Sodium and potassium is for stored under kerosene. Give reason. Fourth question. Why is bronze preferred over copper metal for making statues?